This is mess. This is Ashtabula, Ohio. This is a remaining snow from last week. Esto es Ashtabula, Ohio. Esto es lo que ha quedado todavía de la semana pasada de la nieve. So we are working in this area. So for that reason I'm hunting over here. So just keep tuning. Let's see what we can find over here in Madison, Ohio. Estamos en Madison, Ohio. Déjame ver qué podemos encontrar en este Walmart. Hot Wheels. There's a bunch of cars hanging out over here, but nothing new. Nothing on the Silver Series. Let's see Matchbox. I see a bunch of Matchbox right here. Good one. New Toyota Tacoma 2024, nueva para new for 2025. Let's see what else is over here. Looks like they don't find more space. There's another good one right here. Oh, undo mess right here. Nissan Pathfinder. That's a new one. There is a model Tesla. Oh, there is another Pathfinder right here. That one is pretty nice. So this is new for 2024 Jeep Wagoner. This other one is new for 2024. Este otro es nuevo para 2024. Es un Alfa Romeo Tonale. More over here. Jeep Wagoner. We can put together both. All this a new one. There is another Pathfinder right here. So let's see what else we can find over here. Deja ver qué más podemos encontrar aquí. There is another Pathfinder right here. Está otra Pathfinder over aquí. Vamos a llevarnos nada más dos. Y el Tesla. Deja ver qué más hay por aquí. Let's see what else we can find over here. So you see this. Obviously there is no the 4Runner in the Toyota off-road over here, so they just the buff. Nothing else really crazy. I hope everybody enjoyed. Espero que todo el mundo disfrute. Esto es lo que nos podemos encontrar en Ohio, Madison, Ohio. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel and share. No se olviden de dar like, suscribirse y compartir. Bye.